on this venture. Learning and having fun with each letter we meet. Let's sing and dance, 'cause learning is so sweet, so sweet.
E is for elephant, with the trunk so long. F is for frog, singing its song. G is for giraffe, reaching for leaves high. H is for hippo, in the river they lie. A, B, C, D, let's go on an alphabet safari.